Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning. How are you? How are you, my friends? How are you? I'm so happy to be with you today. It's Teacher Alice and English for Fun. Hello everyone. It's Teacher Alice and welcome to our weekly lesson. How are you today? Before we start, let's make sure that you're hearing ESL. Are your ears on? Mine are on, and yours? Can you hear me well? Excellent. Now make sure that your looking eyes are on. Are your eyes on? Can you see me? Good. Let's start. Can you tell me what day is it today? And today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Yesterday it was Tuesday. Bye-bye Tuesday, and after Tuesday is Wednesday. So today is Wednesday. Today's Wednesday. Today's Wednesday. Today's Wednesday all day long. Today's Wednesday. Today's Wednesday. Today's Wednesday all day long. Today is Wednesday. Yippee! Today is Wednesday. Can you spell it? Let's spell it together. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. Wednesday. Let's move on. Our next stop is a letter, and the letter of this week is letter J. 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 Repeat after me. Jungle. 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 Jet. 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 Jellyfish. 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 Jacket. 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 Juice. 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 Let's repeat. Jungle, jet, jellyfish, jacket, and juice. Yummy juice. And our next stop is a new number, and the number of this week is number 10. 10. 10. Can you hear? Can you hear this noise? We're in a jungle. Look. What is it? Can you see it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at them! How many dinosaurs can you see? I can see 10 dinosaurs. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The number of the week is number 10. Excellent, good job. Let's keep on practicing and singing a song. How many fingers? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! How many fingers on one hand? How many fingers on one hand? How many fingers on one hand? Let's all count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fingers on two hands? How many fingers on two hands? How many fingers on two hands? Let's all count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap your hands with me. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap your hands with me. I hope you will enjoy the video, and if you want to keep on learning and having fun with us, click like, subscribe. It's teacher Alice and English for Fun. See you next time. Bye bye for now.